Well, let me cut across to our top story here, coming in straight from Hyderabad. I would like to start with giving big salute to the police she teams in Hyderabad, women and male police officers who've come together to clamp down on men who have been publicly groping women in Hyderabad. Two of Telangana's biggest festivals, Bonalu and Moharram, brought thousands together in faith, color and celebration, but even amidst devotion, some men found it acceptable to cross the line. In quite a disturbing reflection of what women face across India and maybe all over the world, hundreds of cases of harassment were reported during these gatherings in Hyderabad, from temples to processions. Men, shockingly also including minors and even elderly people, were caught groping women, misbehaving with them amid the crowds. Of course, we know this isn't new. It happens in every crowd, at every public event. You ask a woman, she will tell you how she's been groped at public events. But here, Hyderabad's she teams, the women police officers, weren't having it. They decided that they're going to act on it this time. In a sweeping crackdown, the cops, female cops, I will stress on that, in Hyderabad, have arrested 478 offenders who were caught during these festivals. The Bonalu festival alone had 386 adult men who were arrested for groping women there, and 92 minors who were arrested for the same charges. The worst hit areas included Golconda Bonalu, Balkampet, Yellama Temple and Sikandrabad's Ujjaini Mahakali Temple. So these were areas where the festivities were on, and these men were rampantly touching, groping, molesting women as they closed into the crowd. Now, we're looking at nearly 288 of those 400-odd men who have been let go with strict warnings. In fact, 4 of them were booked for petty offences. One man was even fined 1,050 rupees. 8 FIRs were registered and 5 offenders were convicted. 1 sent to jail and others fined. More than the conviction here, it is a statement that has been set. This wasn't just policing, it was the cops in Hyderabad actually pushing responsibility and accountability on these men who committed this act. Molestation, groping, this happens on such a daily basis in these crowds. It's a common affair. Women have almost internalized it in a way to say that do not get into crowds because you'll be touched, but there was never actual action. Kudos to Hyderabad's she teams here for showing what women's safety really means and how it does not take a backseat when there are celebrations of this nature. The cops there have made it quite clear that you grope a woman, you will be caught. You have hidden cameras there, and that's what they've used to ensure accountability is set.